Welcome back to Aqua Platycodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Today, we dive into the intriguing story of Northvolt, a once promising European battery company that aimed to revolutionize the industry, but ultimately faced bankruptcy in 2024. What went wrong? Let's explore. Act 1. The vision of Northvolt. Founded in 2016, Northvolt emerged as a beacon of hope for Europe's energy independence. The goal? Create a world-class battery manufacturer to reduce reliance on Asian suppliers, especially from China, Japan, and South Korea. Armed with cutting-edge technology and backed by approximately $15 billion in investments, Northvolt promised to be Europe's answer to the electric revolution. The vision was grand: sustainable production, localized supply chains, and a green future. It wasn't just about batteries, it was about reshaping Europe's energy landscape. Act 2. The challenges. Despite its bold ambitions, Northvolt's journey was riddled with challenges. Scaling production. Transforming lab innovations into mass production proved far more difficult than anticipated. Manufacturing inefficiencies and quality control issues plagued their factories. Cost competitiveness. Competing with well-established Asian manufacturers was a Herculean task. These companies benefited from decades of expertise and economies of scale, making their batteries significantly cheaper. Supply chain woes. Europe's dependence on imported raw materials like lithium and cobalt raised costs and created bottlenecks. Northvolt struggled to secure a stable and affordable supply chain. Market dynamics. Slower than expected growth in the electric vehicle (EV) market reduced the immediate demand for batteries, further straining the company's finances. Financial burnout. Despite substantial funding, Northvolt burned through its capital at an unsustainable rate, leaving it unable to recover from operational setbacks. Act 3. The downfall. In November 2024, Northvolt filed for bankruptcy protection in the United States. The company cited insurmountable financial difficulties and a need to restructure its debt. This marked a significant blow to Europe's ambitions of becoming a global battery powerhouse. Act 4. The broader implications. Northvolt's collapse raises important questions about Europe's energy strategy. Can Europe compete? Competing with Asia's dominance in battery manufacturing requires more than funding. It demands technological breakthroughs and streamlined operations. Is green production sustainable? Sustainable and localized manufacturing is costly. Europe must find ways to balance environmental goals with economic realities. What's next? Northvolt's failure doesn't mean the end of Europe's battery aspirations. Lessons learned here could pave the way for smarter strategies and stronger partnerships, perhaps even collaborations with Asian leaders in the industry. Conclusion. Northvolt's story is a cautionary tale of ambition clashing with reality. It highlights the complexities of building a competitive industry from scratch while battling market forces and established giants. But it's also a reminder that failure is often a stepping stone to progress. What's your take on Europe's battery journey? Could lessons from Northvolt lead to future success? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aqua Platycodon for more intriguing discussions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.